So guys, welcome to today's class, and in today's class I'll be showing you guys the functions of a cPanel. If you remember well, in our last class I taught you guys how to purchase a domain and access your cPanel, right? If you've not watched that video, make sure you go back to our YouTube channel and watch the video. Okay, then after watching the video, I'll be showing you guys some of the important functions of these cPanels and what they do. Okay, I will not be talking about all of them. As you can see, the cPanel have a lot of features. Okay, but in this training I'll just be telling you guys the ones that you need, that is going to help you. Okay, so guys, let's start with the email accounts. Here, this email account right now is where you can create your company email. That's let me say admin at yourcompanyname.com. Every website have their own special email address. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, this one is info at greenshop.com.ng, right? If I can create as many as I want, I can create admin at greenshop.com.ng. Okay, so the email accounts feature is all about creating your email, managing your email accounts, and changing your password and other stuffs. Okay, so if I want to create an email account for another email account for this company in or domain name right now, all I have to do is click on create here. Then I'll choose the name I want. It can be admin at your domainname.com. It can be info at your domainname.com. It could be support at your domainname.com. Okay, so you just choose anyone you want. Then after that, you come down here and you can use your own generated password that you remember, or you can generate a new password from here. All you have to do is copy it and save it somewhere safe so that you don't lose it. Okay, so that's it for email accounts. Let's go back to the cPanel so that we'll show you other stuffs. Okay, this is the autoresponder. This autoresponder is very, very important if you are creating a marketing email. Okay, because what this autoresponder does is this: whenever clients make a purchase on your website, this autoresponder will send them an email address automatically, telling them thank you for purchasing our products, that kind of stuff. Is really good for marketing. Like Jumia now, if you purchase something in Jumia, let me say, and because of one or two stuffs you are not able to complete your you're not able to complete your payment or transaction of what you want to buy, after some days, let me say like 2 to 3 days, Jumia is going to send you another email that will remind you that you have a pending transaction to complete. So that's what this autoresponders does. Okay, all you have to do is click on add responders. Once you click on add responder, click on 0. Choose 0 here. Okay, 0 means it is going to return any email. It is going to send a automatic email to any messages sent to our company email. Okay, choose the email address you want. Choose the name of your domain is already here. If you have multiple domain, you can select it. Okay, once you do that, you type the message you want. It could be something like thank you for purchasing our products. So whenever clients, buy anything from this website, it's going to automatically return this message to the clients. Okay, make sure that if you're filling this stuff, this interval remains 0. Okay, if you put it in 1 or anything, it is not going to work for you. So make sure it is always in 0. So let's go back. What have we not talked about? Okay, this is the file manager. On a website, there are two types of websites. There are websites that are built with coding. That means you have to be good in programming. You have to write the codes and all that. Then there are another website that is built with WordPress. Okay, and for you to upload your code or your WordPress theme, you can do it in 2 ways. Okay, one, you can do it by you can do it by installing WordPress in this cPanel. From this cPanel, I will show you guys that later, but right now I'm trying to make you understand the functions of this file manager. Okay, so you can upload your theme or code. You can upload your theme using WordPress, or you can upload it here. But the problem in uploading it in this file manager is this: if you install it, if you upload your code in any of these other files that is not this public_html, your website will not be live. You will not see the result of what you just uploaded. So anytime you want to upload a site using this method, through this file manager, make sure that you click this public_html. As you can see, there are I've uploaded something on this website already. That's why you are seeing all these things. But if I have not done anything on this, you are not going to be seeing any of this stuff. Okay, so always make sure that you upload your code inside this file manager. Okay, that's it for file manager. So we'll go back and let's talk about okay, this is the phpMyAdmin. This phpMyAdmin is where you can retrieve your password if you lose them. It's also where you can edit your details. Then this my SQL database wizard is where you create your website database. Okay, it's very simple to do. You just click on it, right click on my SQL database. It's like my network is slow, but it's going to load. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that it have loaded? So all you have to do is choose any name. It could be, you can just use DB representing database, and all that stuff. Click on next step. So if you want to create a database for any website, this is where you create that. Like I said, we are only going to talk about the ones that are important, that you are going to need. So another one I would like to talk about here is Softaculous app installer. Okay, this Softaculous app installer is a kind of adding apps that are going to help your website to run very well on the internet. What do I mean by this? This Softaculous app contains your website builders. If you want to build a website through WordPress, all you have to do is this: when you get after purchasing your domain and your hosting details sent to you in your email, then go ahead and log into this cPanel. Okay, once you log into this cPanel and you want to install WordPress, all you have to do is this: click on this Softaculous app. So I'm showing you guys how to install WordPress on your website right now. Please pay very attention to this part of the training, because it's very, very, very important. Okay, so as you can see, installations, this means that I already have a WordPress installed in this website. Okay, so but if you don't have any website installed on your domain, okay, you will just go ahead and click on install. Okay, all these apps here, the Jumia, Abantu Cards, PHP SMF, Open Real Estate, all these stuffs are website builders, but we are not going to talk about them. The one we'll be focusing on is WordPress. Okay, so this is WordPress, right? So we'll go ahead and install it. Click on install. Once you click on install, then this is very sensitive. Please pay very attention to this, what I'm about to say now. Okay, so here now, as you can see, if for you to install your WordPress, make sure that you choose HTTPS. Then if you just purchased a domain and you are trying to do what, to install WordPress for the first time, please leave this in directory empty. What I mean by leave it empty is this: make sure that nothing is written under it, like this, like it is empty. Okay, but I'm not going to do that because I already have WordPress installed in my website. Okay, so I will put that WP. The reason why I said that if you are installing WordPress for the first time, that you should leave this WP in. If you are installing WordPress for the first time, that you should make sure that in directory is empty is this. Let me type, let me show you something. Let me show you guys something right now. Can you see this? Can you see that? This is how it's going to be. But let me say you've not installed WordPress before. Okay, this is how it is supposed to look. But if you leave that WP in the in directory, it is going to show here as /WP. I don't know, are you getting this right? Are you getting it right? You can name it anything you want. But if you are installing WordPress for the first time, please make sure that that's here is empty. Okay, so but I've already installed WordPress before, so I can choose something like Dubai Life. Sorry, I mean Dubai Life. Okay, so you come down here, choose your password. It could be pass 1 2 3 @ let's use pass 1 2 3 @ okay, then every other thing is okay here, right? All you have to do is what, just come down here, After choosing your pass and everything, just come down here and click on install, and it is going to install this WordPress in a separate directory that is different from what we are seeing here right now. Sorry, let me remove this WP. Remember, this is our first WordPress that we installed, so it is just going to be your domain name. Okay, then this in directory is very, very important. Like, let me say a client comes to you and is like, okay, just build a logistics website for me. Then when you are done, if I like it, I will now send you the money. Okay, this kind of websites, this kind of clients, you don't have to come on and start buying a domain name or hosting for them. No, you don't do that. All you have to do is this: just come here and create another WordPress and use it to build the website for them, so that in case they don't want to fulfill their promise, you can delete it anytime. Okay, and you not be at loss. Please pay very attention. Can you see that our new WordPress is installed? But see the difference here now. This one will come with the word we put in the in directory, if you remember vividly, right? So this is now a new separate WordPress account for us. The first one we installed is simple. So I recommend that if you are installing WordPress for the first time, please make sure that the in directory is empty. So here now we can go on and load our new website. Can you see that? Awesome. But it will come with the word we put in the in directory. Okay, you can delete it later. Let me show you guys how to do that. You come to blogs, click on WordPress. Can you see that? This is all the WordPress installation that we have done on this website. For you to delete it, you can just come here and click on what to remove, and it will be automatically removed. Okay, so but we'll not be doing that because we are still working on it. So that's it about installing your WordPress